Meaning of harridan.
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 harridan,
Harridan. The word harridan is typically used to describe a woman who is perceived as being strict and bossy, and often unpleasant in her mannerisms. It may also connote an image of an old, cranky, and unpleasant woman. The term has a negative connotation and is considered insulting. It can be traced back to the 17th century, where it was used to refer to an old, haggard woman. Overall, the word harridan is used to describe an unapproachable and difficult woman with a sharp tongue and bad attitude.